You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to clear storage on your Android phone. Open the Settings app and tap on Storage or Battery and Device Care, then Storage. You will see a breakdown of what's using space. Tap on Cache Data and confirm to clear all app caches. Next, review large files by tapping on Files or Explore. Sort by size and delete unwanted downloads, videos, or documents. Go back and tap on Apps to see which apps take the most space. Select an app, then tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache first. If the app still uses too much space, tap Clear Data, but note this resets the app. Use the Cleaner tool if your phone has one, like Samsung's device. Care, which suggests junk files to delete. Uninstall apps you no longer use. For photos and videos, consider uploading them to Google Photos and then using the Free Up Space feature to remove local copies. Delete old text message threads, especially those with media. Regularly move files to an SD card or cloud service as a last resort. For significant space, back up your data and perform a factory reset via Settings, System Reset Options. This returns the phone to its original state. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.